What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's Pokebloc, and today we're going to be diving into the brand new 2020 Sword and Shield Collector's Chest. I love these things when they come out. They are so much fun to open, and we normally get really good pulls out of them. So inside you get 5 booster packs, and I think no Steam Siege, and some great holos, some great products into them, and it's just all in all a great looking tin. It's got the starters plastered everywhere over them. I mean, look at the back. It's gorgeous. Which one is your favorite starter? You know me, I'm the groupie guy. Let me know down below. And then also what we're going to do is we're going to open up 2 of the Galar tins. Alright, so I think let's jump into this one first. Can I get it open without scissors? Yeah, of course we can. Great. Our luck is holding at the moment. I don't know if you've been following the series, you know, yeah, we've been searching for the Rainbow Rare Charizard. And yesterday, we pulled him. He's right there. It was an amazing video, honestly. Go check it out, I'll leave a link in the description. Alright, so let's have a look at the tin. You got Zacian and Zamazenta over there. You got the starters over there. One of each dogs on the side. And I think you have them again on the back. Oh man, I feel like a little kid again going to school. Alright, then if you open it up inside, you get the nice promos. I think it's the exact same cards from the set. These are holo, which is gorgeous. It's great. And look at that tin. Ah, sorry, coin. Oh man, that's a really good looking coin. Got the 3 little starters on them. Really nice. Okay, good. And then inside you get a couple of booster packs. So you get some older sets. So you get evolutions, burning shadows, and cosmic eclipse, and then 2 of the newer. 2 sword and shields, which is great. And then also, there's a code card for you. You get a bunch of other stuff in it, which I always love opening these things. Alright, so you get, oh nice. So you get a whole lot of stickers. Literally, you get 2 sword and shield dogs, bunch of starters everywhere, and again, and again. But these look at these 2 are upside down. Great. And then you also get, which I honestly use, you get, here we go, let's open that up. You also get this beautiful notepad with the dogs at the bottom, the starters on the top. And I'll actually use this. No. And then also you get, which honestly no one, I don't think will ever use, this little mini binder. Great. Alright, so let's put all that back in there. And then let's get into the packs. Let's put that on the side. Tell you what, let's mix them up. Let's not go in order. Good. Alright. So let's start off with good old evolutions. We haven't had a good pull out of evolutions in a long time, actually. So let's see if we can go card for you. Get something out of this one. 1, 2, 3. And let's see. Alright, we got a Haunter. Flying Pikachu. Coughing, Energy, Caterpie, Ghastly, Diglett, Rattata, Reverse Mew, and wow. Wow. We have the full art Dragonite EX. That is an amazing card to get right off the bat. They're so gold. Alright, good, first pack. Nice hit. Let's put that in a nice sleeve. Let's put you next to Charizard over there. Keep him company. Great, so not too bad, good start. Let's jump into Snorlax VMAX pack card over here. We're still missing a good amount of, well not a good amount, but quite a few cards for our Sword and Shield binder to complete that master set, so hopefully we can get, you know, something out of this one. Lightning Energy, Energy Retrieval, Ferrothorn, Heatmore, Salandit, Clobbopus, Ghastly, Rookity, Sizzlipede, and Orangaroo Reverse, and more Pekka V. Yeah, I'll take that. I love more Pekka V. We're still missing the full art in this one. So, yeah, there you go. 2 packs, 2 hits. Can't complain too much about that. Then we have Burning Shadows. What a journey it was with Burning Shadows until we pulled that Zard. Honestly, I lost my mind yesterday. Up. Flip the thing, you should know by now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Darkness Energy, Wiki, Lunatone, Gloom, Dynamo, Kittyfly, Riolu, Rhyhorn, Tangler, a Wobbuffet Reverse, and a Lydian. Yeah, I kind of ruined that one, didn't I? Alright, Cosmic Eclipse. What can we get out of you? So I think it's... Yep, there you go. Go to 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we have a Lightning Energy. Will, Golduck, Spangaroo, Wailmer, Palpitoad, Apalm, Woobat, Ducklet, Reverse Xatu, and a regular rare Weezy. Okay, so let's get back. Last pack, Sword and Shield. What can Zacian do for us? Imagine if we pull another Zacian V. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have a Darkness Energy. Hitmonchan, Galarian Loon, Seeking, Grookey, Sobble, Rhyhorn, Roselia, Ferroseed, Chinchou Reverse, and a Grandpa. Alright, so 2 hits out of that one, which is honestly not bad. We got the Dragonite EX Full Art and the Morpeko V. Not bad at all. Okay, let's jump into these tins. Ugh. There we go. I'm a sucker for tins. I honestly love them. You got the Cinderace V promo card in there. And let's get that out. Put that over there. Here we go. Good for you. You got the 4 packs. Let's put them on the side. Put that back there. Let's just open up this one too, just to save some time. Whoa. Only with my luck. There we go. Great stuff. And the same with this one. You get the Inteleon V promo card. Get this one open. Go card for you. And the same packs over here. Good. Alright. So let's jump just randomly into them. Oh, you get it's good old Steam Siege, Cosmic Eclipse, and 2 Sword and Shield. And it should be the same on this one, yeah. So let's go on this side first. Oh, luck us out. Be good to us. Go for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Fire Energy. Air Balloon. Pokekid. Heatmore. Krogunk. Galarian Meowth. Scorbunny. Sinistea, Rakdos, Rhyhorn Reverse, and a Ninetales. Great. Let's jump into Steam Siege. Why not? Is the 3 from the back of this one? I always mess this one up. So that's the code. I think it's 3. Forgive me if I'm wrong. Alright, we got a Skiploom, Fossil, Braviary, Mankey, Mantine, Sneasel, Hoppip, Fletchling, a Drifloon Reverse, and a Jump, regular rare. And Cosmic Eclipse, let's leave a Sword and Shield for last. Cool. Pack baby. Oh man, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Darkness Energy, Ape Bomb, Fishing Rod, Vaporeon, Nosepass, Snorunt, Rockruff, Deerling, a Teddiursa, a Sandygast, and a Sunflora. Regular rare. Alright, last Sword and Shield pack in this one. Let's see what we can get. Go to you. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have Psychic, Metal Saucer, which the last gold card we need is this Metal Saucer. Rotom Bike, Big Charm, Scorbunny, Nickit, Chinchou, Diglett, Ferroseed, a Blackbug, and a Noctowl. Regular rare. Regular rare. English. I think let's go with Steam Siege first. Let's get all this set out of the way. have a look. Curfew. 1, 2, and 3. Maybe that one. Fluffy, Fletchender, Pokemon Ranger, Fungus, Mankey, Clink, Mantine. I love this artwork on the Shellos. So good. Galvantula Reverse and a Probopass regular rare. Alright, let's go into the Sword and Shield. Alright. Curfew. 1, 2, 3, and 4. No. Okay. Fire Energy. Lumberry. Aurora Energy. Dubwool. Silicobra. Yamper. Grookey. Cufant. Baltoy. Thievul Reverse, and a Wobbuffet V. I'll take a Wobbuffet V. Great looking card, I love Wobbuffet. Let's put him in there. And then let's go with Cosmic Eclipse. And then we'll leave the other ones for last. Upside down Curfew. Am I upside down now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's have a look. Fighting Energy. Golduck. Will. Mimikyu. Magnemite. Lillipup. Trapinch. Sneasel. Spheal. Throw Reverse, and a Golduck. Regular rare. Alright, last pack. We're going to jump into this one. Come on, Metal Source of Gold card. And honestly, the thing is, I think, like I said before, I think completing this Masters has been most difficult pulling all the reverses. Funny or not. Alright, Fighting Energy. We have a Dottler, Galarian Stunfisk, Raboot, Krabby, Grookey, Mudbray, Hoothoot, Pinurchin, Hyper Potion Reverse, and a Turtonator regular rare. Alright, so out of all that, we have gorgeous looking Dragonite EX, a Morpeko V, and a Wobbuffet V. Thank you so much for joining me, and please remember to give it a like, subscribe downstairs, and as always, we'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye.